so awesome. We are just doing fantastic. So tell me when you can see my screen. Can you see it now?
Absolutely, we can see it. You're good to go.
Okay, fantastic. So guys, again, Enfurio, we are excited. We are pumped up. You know, Dwayne's going to get out those crypto trades. And, you know, a year ago, we were with another company. We were doing very well. The problem we found was that people were sending their money. How many companies people have been involved with where they've sent their money to that company and they've gone out of business? It is almost a habitual situation going on now. And when I started this and started developing this product, by the way, I have over 30 years of software development. When I started developing this product, it wasn't a matter of, you know, how much money I could make. Personally, I always think about my family, my friends, and how they can actually take advantage of the markets. And guys, this software came about after doing some research on binary option and creating an automatic way for the software to generate a trade for you and close the trade. And so you'll see the efforts of those results here in just a second here. I called it the ultimate auto trader because that's what it is. Basically, it generates the trade. You can decide whether you want the software to open the trade, or if you want to open the trade, it is completely up to you as to how you use this software. It is very powerful. So let me just go through a little bit of explanation and just give you the above the overhead view of this. So first and foremost, we're going to get the legal out the way. Foreign exchange, options, and cryptocurrency trading carries a high level of risk that may not be suitable for all investors. Leverage creates additional risk and loss exposure. So before you decide to trade or engage with these, please carefully consider your use of leverage capital objectives, experience level, and risk tolerance. You could lose some or all of your initial leverage capital. Please do not use leverage capital that you cannot afford to lose. Risk capital is money that can be lost without jeopardizing one's security and lifestyle. So what is and how simple is this to use? Well, it's very simple. You basically get what is called a virtual private server, which will help you configure and set up. We have a partnership that gives us 24/7 access to support around the globe. So this is not just in the US, this is everywhere in the world. Basically, you get a virtual private server, you connect your account, you choose your broker. You never ever have to send us money. Never. We don't have access to your account. We don't have access to your trade. In fact, every single software we distribute is segregated from the others. So they don't interact with each other. Basically, all they do is they look at the marketplace and they determine whether it is a good time to do a trade. So again, you don't send us any money, keep money in your own account. So what can you expect to see? Well, what I want to show you here in a second here is back testing. What we've done, and you're probably asking, if you're not familiar with backtesting, what is backtesting? Well, backtesting is simply how well our automated trader would have performed in past markets using the algorithms we've programmed. You guys know I work almost 24 hours a day testing various algorithms and seeing what is the best. Well, for that, we have customers that are live using this software and are benefiting on a daily basis. I would love to show you guys how this works. So let's show you some real world results, and then we'll show you some back testing. How does that sound? So here we go. This is a live account with a broker called Traders Way. If you're not familiar with Traders Way is a broker for Forex. And we can use just about any broker around the globe that uses the MetaTrader 5 platform. This account has been trading for the last 2 months with our software. The last 2 months when we went live with this account, they've been trading with this account, and you can see here, just yesterday, this was at, what percentage was this yesterday? Are you on the line there, Dwayne? He probably stepped out for a second, but that's okay.
He stepped out. He's coming right here.
This was what? How much was this yesterday?
Yesterday that was 20%. What is it today? 21. Wow.
No joke, guys. In fact, here is the actual data, and if you need access to this, we'll make sure and have this up on the Enfurio website. This is a live account. You can see here, Traders Way. This is a live, verified account, okay? And you can see here that the software, and I'll blow this up a little bit, so you can see here is trading 85% of this is algorithmic trading. What does that mean? It means that it is completely software driven. Now, in December, I take a little bit of a manual approach. So I have been, manually, in which you have the option to do this. So it's not only automatic, but you can add more trades. If you see a good trade come in, you can do that. It's very, very flexible. It'll work with you. And as you can see here, this software has been trading on its own. In fact, just to show you the history, just in the last couple of days, which was yesterday, you see here, the 18th. Oh, it even did one today while I wasn't looking. How amazing is that? I didn't even see this one come through, but you can see here it is automatically trading. And yesterday it had 5 trades, and they all won 100%. Here's also a very, very powerful thing that you should take note. One of the things that I designed this software to do is not hold your money for a long period of time. If you've ever used any Forex trading robots, what they call them, bots, you will notice that a lot of times they will open up trades, and those trades will be open for days, sometimes months. Sometimes you have to have a drawdown period of time where you get those trades off so that you can actually withdraw your funds. Well, here's the big news for you. In my software, every trade is designed to come out in an average of 1 hour. What does that mean? It means within 1 hour, you can see here, this is not me doing this. You can see this is from the data that the average trade lasts 1 hour. That's from open to close. In fact, here you can see this particular one opened at 2:36, closed at 2:42. This one took a little bit longer, a couple of hours. This one here was in a few minutes, 1958 to 2037. Guys, this is the most powerful system out there. There is no funds holding, so that means every dime is available for withdrawal in this particular account. So now that we've gone over that, I'm going to show you what are the features of the software. So the other thing that when I designed this, and as I was talking to Dwayne, because Dwayne and I, we consult, and I said, Dwayne, I'm tired of companies charging people hundreds of dollars a month. And you get set up and you pay $150 a month, and you pay for your VPS service and all that other stuff. At the end of the day, you're already out $200 a month before you even made a dime. Well, I decided to do this thing differently. You only pay for winning trades. So there is a per transaction fee, which starts at 50 cents and goes all the way up to $100. If you're at $100, you're probably at $1 million account. So you're probably making $10,000 a trade at that point in time. Because every dime that we charge, we basically designed it so that you can make about 300 to 1,000% more than the fees you pay us. That's really where it is. It's free to run our software in a demo account. It is also, you can use any broker around the globe that supports MetaTrader 5. You could run on multiple accounts, so you're not restricted to just run on one account. Maybe you've got mom account, wife account, you've got the kids accounts, you got your dog account, right? You just want to have the software run and put money into those accounts and have it grow. Guys, this software will do it, and you don't have to pay anything extra for those. You just pay for the trades that you want. $50 per month is the flat rate that covers your VPS. You'll get 24-hour support. Every Monday we do a training. So if you want to learn some advanced techniques on how to use the software, you'll learn advanced techniques. You'll also get a 5-minute support. So if you wanted to check your software to make sure it's running right, you get that. You get 24/7 support. And guys, just to let you know, this software runs on various levels. So it could run from conservative to high risk. You get to choose how you want your account to run, with very low drawdowns. And then also, one of the things that you'll learn is that we've designed this so that each currency pair that we work with, we currently work with about 15 currency pairs that we have optimized the software with, including gold, silver, and oil. And with these, each currency pair has been back tested to earn between 2 to 5% per month. Again, no guarantees. We can't guarantee anything in the market because, again, we have no control. But we are going to give you the best advantage that you're going to have in the marketplace without you having to be an expert trader. And that's what this is all about. So if you want me to, Dwayne, just to explain, guys, getting set up is really simple. It's a one-time $99 setup fee. That includes your first month's worth of trading allowance. You get $20 trading allowance the first month. You also get, that covers your VPS. So your VPS is configured for you. You get a live consultation so that you can learn how to set up your software, how it's set up. You just pay 50 cents to $100 for the winning trades. And as part of the matrix, and we won't go through the entire compensation, but the trades as well as the monthly fee that is being paid is going into, there's a portion of that going into the matrix. And I think I'll leave that over to Dwayne to explain that. But guys, we've created an amazing way for you to make money without having to recruit. So Dwayne, I'm gonna turn it back over to you, my friend.